Lips are one of the most defining features of the human face. They are also one of the most functional parts of the body. But why do we have them? One of the primary functions of lips is aid in speech and communication. The unique shape of the lips allows us to make different speech sounds. Without lips, our ability to communicate would be greatly hindered. Lips also play a crucial role in taste perception. They are covered in taste receptors, which help us to detect different flavors in our food. They also help us to manipulate food in the mouth while eating, and serve as a barrier to protect the mouth and nose from the elements. They help to keep the area moist, preventing dryness and cracking. Lips also act as a barrier to keep out dirt, dust, and other debris. They also play a critical role in physical intimacy, such as kissing and foreplay. Lips are packed with nerve endings, making them highly sensitive to touch, which makes them an important tool for expressing emotions, attraction, and bonding. And lastly, lips are an important aspect of facial aesthetics. The size, shape, and color of the lips can be considered attractive features, playing a role in attraction and human bonding. There you have it. Lips are an intricate and multifaceted body part that are essential for human survival and social interactions. Take good care of your lips.